Hello, welcome back to another video. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. And to you, all my new subscribers, you are highly welcome. Thank you for joining this family. Welcome to this beautiful family. My name is Chidera and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos. On this channel, we do food and mukbang. And to you, all my returning subscribers, my old subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always coming back to support a girl. You guys are the best. So guys, today I'll be showing you how to make this yummy looking Ofada sauce you're seeing right here. If you want to know how I prepare this sauce, then keep on watching, okay? And don't forget to like the video, share, comment, and subscribe. So guys, to make this Ofada sauce, I have my chopped onions here. I have my pepper mix in here. I have red, yellow, I have green pepper, I have shombo here, and yes, that's also what I have. Here I have my local beans, also known as iru. I have my crayfish. You don't need lots of crayfish in making a pasta. And here I have my momo here, and I have my cow tribe here. That's it, cow tribe. So guys, we start now by cooking our meat. So guys, I will go in with my meat now. I will go in with my meat. I'm going to be seasoning this. First, I'll go in with my seasoning. I'll add in my dried pepper. I'll go in with my onions. So guys, I'll go in here with enough water to cook the meat. I'm going to stir this. I'll just stir this. I use just seasoning powder, onions, and pepper to cook my meat. I'm not using any curry powder or thyme, okay? So I'm putting a powder. So I'm going to cover the pot now and I'll allow this meat to cook. So guys, halfway into my cooking, I'm going to add in my pomo, that's my cow skin. This cow skin is already cooked, okay? That's why I'm adding it now. So this is already pre-cooked. I'm just going to add it in and I'm going to stir this. I'll cover the pot, allow it to continue cooking, okay? So guys, I'm going to cover this pot now and I'll allow it to continue cooking. So guys, let's check on our meat. Our meat is fully cooked, as you can see. Our meat is fully cooked now, so I'm just going to break it down from the heat and then bleach our palm oil. So guys, in a dry pot, I'm going to add in my oil, my red oil. I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow this oil to bleach. I'm doing this on medium to low heat. Okay, guys, I'm doing this on medium to low heat. So this should take us about, let me say, 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, so guys, let's check on our, we have bleached it now. This is our bleached palm oil. So right now start making our ofada. So guys, in the same pot I'm going to be adding in my bleached palm oil. So guys, I will let it to heat up, because I will let it to get hot, because when I bleached it I allowed it to cool down before opening the pot. Okay, this is just to avoid pollution. All right, so guys, I will go in now with, I'll go in now with my meat. I'm just going to allow this to fry. Okay, so guys, our meat is well fried. I'll just bring it out for the oil. So guys, I'll go in with my chopped onion. I'll add in my local juice. I'm going to mix this. I'm going to stir. I'll allow it to fry for a minute. Okay, so now going to, so guys, I'll go in now with my pepper mix. I'm going to stir this. I will cover and let it fry for about 7 to 8 minutes. Okay. I'll cover the pot now. So guys, let's check on the sauce. They still have not fried well. It has not fried the way I want it. One secret in making a very delicious ofada sauce is to allow your pepper to fry well. Okay, allow your pepper to fry very well. Now we are going to achieve that authentic ofada taste. All right, so now I'll be going in with my seasonings. I'm just going to be adding my seasoning powder. I'll be going in with just small crayfish and my salt. You don't need a lot of crayfish in ofada. You just need a little crayfish, not too much crayfish. So I've added my seasoning and my crayfish. I didn't know it didn't show when I was adding my crayfish. So I'm just going to add in my salt now. I just added a little salt because I've already added my seasonings. Just more salt to balance the seasonings I've added earlier. I'm going to stir this and I will cover the pot and allow it to continue frying. I'll cover the pot. I'll allow it to fry for extra 5 minutes. Okay, that way our stew will be completely fried. The pepper will be completely fried. So guys, let's check on our. So our stew is well fried now, just the way I want it. As you can see, is the pepper is fried, like very fried. So right now I'll be adding in my proteins back into the stew, and I'm just going to mix everything together, and I will go in with my meat stock. I'll just add in a little amount of my meat stock. I won't be going with all my meat stock. I'm just going to add in a little amount of it, and I'm just going to mix everything together. And yes, I will just cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook. Okay, I'll allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, guys, and then we'll come back. If you have watched me up to this point and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay, and help me to click on that bell button so that each time I upload a new video it will always get to you. And please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, because if you have watched up to now it means you are enjoying the video. So please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so I tested for salt and there was no salt, and this is me adding in another salt. I just went in with small salt. Okay, you have to be careful not to over salt your food. All right, so I tested it and the salt is now okay. I'm just going to cover the pot now and I'll allow this to cook for extra 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so guys, let's check on our sauce now. It's 5 minutes later and our sauce is ready. One thing I love about this sauce is that it's not just limited to Ofada rice only. Okay, you can enjoy it with your normal rice, your yam. You can enjoy it with any any meal of your choice, your yam, your rice, anything. Okay, this sauce came out so delicious, so yummy, guys. Let me know what you think of this video in the comment section. Would you love to try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. And please guys, help me to always like my video. If you watch my video and you enjoyed watching my video, please always help me to like the video. Okay, help me to like that video, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not joined this wonderful family. I don't know what you're still waiting for. Please click on that subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, join our community. Okay, and share this video, share to your friends, share to your family. Okay, share it, help me and share it, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All right, thank you so much guys for watching, and please stay safe, and until I come when it's time. Bye.